In this video, I'm going to show you two very cool drone backpacks right here. One has a lot of capacity, $50, and the other one is very compact for $40. And it's quite interesting, very low cost, but we'll see if it's the right one for you. All right. One of the greatest weaknesses of the DJI drone is it doesn't come with a carrying case. And you know, for that kind of money, you want this thing protected. So what I have for you guys today, and you don't want them hitting each other, put them in a bag or a backpack and, you know, scratching each other up, right? So we have two solutions from Pekrews, Amazon. And what's cool is they're inexpensive, you know, $40, $50, and they are quite protective. Look at that. They have all the cutouts, nice foam, the shock absorbing. So both of them have this protection and really isolates them from each other, and they have some nice impact protecting material right here. You know, don't crush this, but it's enough for the light impacts, and little waterproofing, splash proof zippers and case protect you when you're out there adventuring in the rain. So listen up for the full review on these two things. All right. Thanks a ton. All right. So Pekrews is a brand that sells at Amazon, and this is their big backpack. It's quite expandable. The zippers seem like they're insulated fairly well, and boom, right there. This one has a lot of compartments. Put some stuff here, your wiring, and then right here it has a protective sheath. You can close it with Velcro, and then boom, this is where your drone is. So they have models for the Mini 4 Pro and the Mini 3 Pro with either controller. I'm using the RC2 controller with, you know, the display screen, so it fits perfectly nice here. And this one is a big compartment. That's for your battery kind of expansion pack. So 3 batteries will fit right here. For one battery, it's kind of loosey-goosey, and over here is your charger. So it comes with, you know, this foam that's very protective, and I think you can take this whole thing off. So this, believe it or not, is the secret sauce. You can actually put this on another backpack if you have one that's smaller. Oh, that gives me an idea. So you could use this for big trips, but if you have a small trip, just put this on a little pack, and that's the protection you need. And you know, $50, so don't expect a Samsonite or super quality, and it's okay. And right here I'm going to show you a little trick, a party trick that happens, Steve. So lots of compartments, expansion straps right here, USB plug, little pocket, can't quite fit a water bottle right there, and as I showed you, you could wear it. It's more for like narrow shoulders. If some guys that were super big, this doesn't quite fit. It has these stabilizer bars, but they're not very well supported. You know, they can just slide up and down for your glasses, for your keys, handle. Okay, are you ready for the big party trick? Let me show you another compartment that it has. You can carry a laptop quite well. Boom, right there. So the materials are pretty soft. You know, they're not the highest quality, like I said. Like these straps is what you feel the most lately. Pretty soft. But here is the great party trick that I have. So boom, you open it up. Has a separator right here. And guess what I'm carrying? Their little one, the sling backpack. And this is the one I was excited about, because this one is rather big. They included a USB extension port. So let's put this aside. But this is the nice gold standard right here, and this can be like your little tote bag, your little satchel, so to speak. But what's really cool about this bag is it is a sling. A sling is really what I'm kind of looking for, just to carry my drone. So right here, you go sideways. You could probably carry it on your shoulder, but if you are hiking, you want to go anywhere, biking, that's pretty good, huh? It's not the most stable if you're jumping around on your bike or your skateboard. You can stabilize it with a strap from here to here, but it doesn't come included. That would be a nice addition, right? It also has this easy removable clip. Has a very long strap right here. I have almost at the shortest position adjusted. Okay, so little zipper here. So the zippers on this one are higher quality than here. I think this is like a later edition, and a little more waterproofing right here. I like that. And then it has a compartment for your wires and whatnot. It's gonna be pretty tight. So one of its applications is you like see the action. You're like, oh, there we go. Let me get my drone. Boom, boom, open, boom. It doesn't fly off. It's got a little compartment, and boom, right here. So this is one of these use cases. Let's turn it on quick. And then boom, drone, boom. Step, step, turn on. I want to take off with this drone. Watch, you watch me. Boom, 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 boom. And while I'm showing you, keep you guys entertained. So there it is. And what's cool about it, there's some adjustability to it. If you want it, so it has these holders right here that are Velcro. Got my battery. And if you don't want it this way, if you just want it to open up, usually you're gonna lay it flat on the ground or on a table. You say, okay, boom. These are adjustable. So you can take the Velcro out and it's just gonna open wide, okay? And there you go. So very simple, no room for your laptop or your big microphone case. It's more minimalist. Ooh, maybe I can put my mic right here. Okay, that's a little high, my friends. Don't be scared. Pretty handy, Pekrews, and I like that they have two options, a minimalist one and a full-featured one that's expandable. This expands by 3.3 inches, $50, $40, so you can carry the kitchen sink with this, your clothes and whatnot. So, but if you just want a minimalist tote sling, this is good. What are the weaknesses? The weaknesses, I would say, are, you know, the quality is not first rate, but you know, given the price, you gotta take that as a given. The zippers on the big backpack don't seem as high quality, not as waterproof as the ones on the sling. So the sling is definitely higher quality. These things, they don't slide as well. And then the other thing, this strap right here is so long. It's so annoying. It's like this long. So, but easy to modify. You can just cut that. Another weakness I would say is, let me just show you right here, is they do have that extra cover. So you open it, right? And right there, it's already open. You have this one that's covering your drone, okay? And I don't think this is really necessary. In fact, it is touching the controls, the control sticks. The angle on this holder is not quite right, you know, but it's good to have that option, and they're easily modifiable. Like this guy, I would just cut it off right here. Snip, because this is, I feel, is enough protection for the drone. Same thing with the strap that's overly long. Snip and just kind of glue it or thread it to itself so it's not frayed. So easy to modify. But you know, I'm pretty pleased. $40, $50, pretty good. You can handle that, and it's good to protect the $1,000 investment right there. Now for my next trick, I'm gonna have this thing land inside and close itself. No, I'm not gonna do that. But thank you. This is FC from Drone Tech Review, and if you want to purchase this, there's gonna be links in the description, and it would help the channel out. But most important, like, you know, share this video, comment, and let me know if it helped you out. Thanks a ton. Landed on the table.